He could do it. All right, 6:37 is our time. And Paul, you're talking about maybe strapping down the trash can, the lawn furniture with our strong wind today.
The trampoline in the backyard. Trampolines, they're supposed to be toys, but really they're just big wind catchers, and that's going to end up in the neighbor's yard if you're not careful. We have some rain still moving through eastern Middle Tennessee. So you saw the sunrise coming up behind Chris and Holly, but there's still rain falling, especially right now over Fentress County and Cumberland County. That's the heaviest rain, but still some light to moderate rainfall throughout the eastern third of the mid-state. It's going to be moving out as we head through the morning, and there's nothing new lining up farther to the west. So we are in the clear in Nashville, and those puddles are evaporating very quickly thanks to that sun and winds that are picking up out of the southwest. So it's going to be breezy. That rain has now moved into the eastern third of the mid-state. Mid-50s for temperatures as the skies have cleared out, but we'll bounce back a little bit. Still 60s in Cookeville and Crossville. That's it. Everybody else is in the middle portion of the 50s. A slow warm-up is going to kick in the rest of the day. Cooler air being delivered by those winds, and it's going to be gusty, but back up to the mid-60s by noon and then upper 60s for highs this afternoon. The farther west and northwest you go, the cooler it's going to be. Maybe stuck in the upper 50s in Murray and Paris. That is awfully cool for the first day of May. Awfully windy as well. Those wind gusts are going to be over 20 miles an hour this afternoon. That's enough to move you around the road. Again, try to make your trash can, your neighbor's trash can, so make sure that is secured if today happens to be trash day for you. We're going to see calmer conditions tomorrow. Still a noticeable wind, but just not quite as flat out gusty. A cool start tomorrow morning, then we warm up to the upper 70s, mid 70s on Wednesday before that next round of rain moves in. We'll talk more about that coming up in just a few minutes. Plus, we'll have a look back at a very warm April. Melanie?